Testing 1, 2. Testing 1, 2. How are you? DJ Burt, what's up, family? How are you? Got that graphics in the box on the way to your former job spot. Retiree, how are you, brother? In the building, DJ Burt, AKA, it's the music. Philly Cable Dave in the building, man. Let's just start Waydroid on Ubuntu 24.04. To bring the Android environment into Ubuntu Linux. Coming at you. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. How are you? How are you? How are you? Testing 1 2. How are you? Testing 1 2. How are you? I be trying so much shit, man. Testing 1 2. How are you? You can hear me now? Trooper! Trevor! I be trying so much shit, man. How y'all doing? What's good? Let's go. Hit the wave. Driver's still in there from old joint. Much respect out to the chat. Zubaloo! Thank you. The Mac. I lost my ear. Had my earphones on. It's my family. Thank you, Trooper. How you feel, brother? I'm good now. Zubaloo! Yes, sir. 1 2 1 2. Trevor Peters. Checking out the vibe. Pump up the volume. Lady J, thank you so much. Appreciate you reaching out. Lady J, my 50-year-old friend, moved to Atlanta about a year ago. DJ Burt. First one in here. He lives in Atlanta now. Used to be a Philadelphia in the city of brotherly. Ain't no more love. If y'all can, help me out here. This one gonna be crazy. This one is gonna be crazy. Ladies and gentlemen, I dropped the ball. No, I ain't gonna drop the ball. Shit happened. Trevor Peters from the Caribbean. The great weather. Lathan, are you in America? Lathan lives in Florida, but he travels like every 7 days. He's moving. Ladies and gentlemen, we went down this road here. Why is the only option to cut the cord is an Android device? What's wrong with change? Then we have sometimes we got to hear the upcoming Amazon Vega OS. All we know is it's going to be based on Linux. It's all, let me say that again. It's all speculation. That's all it is. And what I'm trying to tell people is you can cut the cord with Linux. Y'all see me install Linux on a Mini PC. And a high-powered content creator was saying she made it a little difficult. You can't get APKs in there. I'm like, okay, really, it's a challenge. It's a challenge. And all I've been telling people is prepare yourself for Amazon Vegas. And look at that last statement. Learn a little bit about Linux so you can help your end users or people who get down on the hustle game about the new Vega OS that's going to be on the new Amazon devices. It's speculation. This thing way down the line, 27, but you never know. Well, the end of the new the Fire 6 is now is good to 2027. But we don't know when Amazon gonna push that Vega OS. I know one thing. I don't believe they can push it over these older devices. push an Amazon big update like that. It's an operating system. Linux, Ubuntu is 6 gigs. Through the internet. Now I know Amazon got AWS, their cloud server. AWS, their Amazon cloud service, which runs on Linux. My other video that's coming. Prepare yourself for Amazon Vegas, Jelly Bean server. Learn a little about Linux. Tonight we're gonna do this. I got Ubuntu on this mini PC, and I'm gonna show you how to install Waydroid onto this mini PC so you can bring the Android environment into it. You can install APKs. How y'all doing, guys? How are you? It's Philly. One thing about me, I do things a little different over here. True, but I'll take care of that. I gotta get with you. That's what I push it back to. I got a lot of mods in here. Anybody acting funky, they know what to do. But especially you, the mod manager. Super Lou, Super Trooper. As I was saying, I do things a little different over here. We're gonna do this tonight. And guess what, guys? On the table there, I will not fall short this time. The PC that we got, mini PC, the Lenovo 715 Q AMD. But this time, I got a backup. I ain't gonna fall short this time because I couldn't get a file on there from the Ubuntu 2404. That shit updated 3 times in 2 days. And the security feature is you can't plug jump drives right into Ubuntu and access it. Can't do it. And I didn't do my research to access it. The operating system, new Ubuntu, is 72 hours old. 4 days, 3 days. I got them on both of them. But I let it update within, not an install. So I'm good. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for hanging out with me. Tadao! How are you? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to get in the zone and flip this box so you can access it to Android environment inside Linux with this Docker container or small software on Linux Ubuntu. So if I don't respond to your chat, I'm in my lane. Ladies and gentlemen, it's PCD. Y'all know I do things a little different on here. Let's go. It's my theme music. On the table there, Lenovo 715Q. This mini PC, look at me good. I will be giving it away to one of these people here. Right after the show. Cause they hung out with me in the last stream and I fell asleep. This mini PC is an M700. It's my backup for the night. I will not be looking like Boo Boo the Fool. I don't like click record and falling short. We're gonna rumble this right now. Let's go to it. Linux on the screen there. On the screen, there's a Linux Ubuntu. We made the screw bigger. Let's see if I'm on the net right now. It's too fast. Mini PC. It's probably about 7, 8 years old. But my thing is bring old hardware back to life. We at the desktop here of a Linux Ubuntu. Ladies and gentlemen, I fell short because I couldn't get this file in here because it was on a jump drive. But ladies and gentlemen, you see that right there? 5 commands to install Waydroid. And what'd I say? No typing. Copy, and paste. Linux ain't like that no more. All that typing stuff. Back at the ranch. Ladies and gentlemen, I got my cheating document there, and I'm opening up this thing called Terminal. This is how you install packages, not APKs, packages on Linux. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna see if it's updated first. I'm gonna grab the first one, and I'm gonna copy it. And I'm gonna paste it. Let's update the operating system of Ubuntu. Hit enter. It's asking me for something. It's asking me for the username of the password of the user. Super Dave. It's checking everything is updated. It's fetching it. 3 packages can be updated. Let me see. And to tell you right there, run app list update. Upgrade. Should do APT upgrade. Bingo. It has been upgraded. I'm gonna clear it so I can bring it back to the top. We're gonna take the next command. Next command. No typing. Got a checky mouse. I see that period there. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna paste it. Hit enter. The package is updated. It's already in there. Curl is already in there. Now let's go get the certificate. Come on. Copy that. We all do things different. What's wrong with change? Hit enter. That's in there already, as you see right there. Now let's install. The system is prepared for the Waydroid container or the app. Right click, copy it, I'm gonna paste it. And it's installing that. No typing. It says done. I'm sorry, this command will install Waydroid. A little ahead of myself. Let's clear it. Take it back to the top. Drop this in there and paste it. Enter. As installing the application or Docker container called Waydroid. So we can bring Android into the Ubuntu environment. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna minimize this. The other 3 commands is for uninstalling it. And what do we have right here? This is Waydroid. And what's that loading up there? That looks like, is that Android? Yes, it is. Let's go to a browser. Oh, let me just see this first. It's Android, baby. Let's go to settings. Let's go to about. Android 11. Let's go to the OS. Android 11 in the building inside of Linux. Guys, we need some apps on here. Some was pre-loaded on there from my files, but guess what? I installed File Manager Plus. I need some APKs. Let's go back out. Let's go to the browser first. Aptoid. Loading up. Wait. Let's go to the browser. Just installed it. Let me go do let me quit it. Let's close the text editor out. Let's close terminal. Let's restart this device to get the settings on point. It's restarting. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stream. I appreciate y'all hanging out with me. The one and only Trooper, thank you, J Mac, DJ Bird, and the one and only Super Lou. Fix that icon, man. Back at the ranch. Still loading up. Ready to start a device. And there we are. The Lenovo 715Q. I got a backup. $715Q M900 going to one of my favorite subscribers. M.2 M700 715Q. Back at it. Let's log in. this second to do what you gotta do. Let's go to the settings, see how much power it's taking. Let's go to the app drawer, my bad. System monitor. You see that top row? 0, 4 cores, 7, 0, 1. You won't be able to do this with Analogic TV boxes. Just about change, you know what I mean? You gotta do something different. This is much powerful than any TV box. Even the Nvidia Shield. This is Intel, AMD, cores. Let's get out of here. Memory, I'm using 1.8 of 16. Network type. Let's open up Waydroid again. We got fast on there, and we got a system update. Is that Android? It's Android. And it has an update too for Android. Damn. 2 screens. Do a speed test. It's out Android. On Linux. Trevor, I see that statement. Gotta use vanilla, man. Don't worry about the Play Store. Create your own Play Store. Let's go back here. Let's go get some apps. I just need one. File. I need a file manager. And the one I use, File Manager Plus. Let's open it. It's already on it. This is my File Manager Plus, ladies and gentlemen. I got one app from the internet. This was it. And I downloaded a couple of things. APK Pure is there. But let's go to the PC that I'm streaming on. The Beast. Go get it. My Ace drive I share with this Linux box. APKs, bro. Let's go down to nice. I set some files up. I got some APKs here. It's the File Manager Plus. This is Explore. Let's install it. It's an APK. Permissions. And Wi-Fi. Take it back one. Let's go to nice again. Oh, APK, bro. Linux hotness. Let's get this Explorer in here, see what's going in. Wrong version. VLC. That's cool. Nova. And ladies and gentlemen, this is crazy. Today, download the app for Fire Sticks and Android TV Box, which is Android is a fork of Android TV OS. But guess what? Today, May 1st, Elias of the Amazon TV News, ATFS, Amazon News joint, he created his app for stock Android. And it's working. Today, back at the ranch. Let's install Downloader on stock Android, because this is what this is. This ain't Android TV OS. This is stock. Uh-oh, let's open it. Wow. Let's go configure it. Let's configure it for a TV interface. Do you see what I'm saying? I got a code. Sister Tanya. Bingo. APK world. I will be not doing movie and TV apps. Let's go get some tools. Let's try AMP info. Try getting the add-on. Downloader is working on Linux in the Android TV OS environment. Just go back one, give it permissions. Let's install it. Bingo. Let's open it. It's an older version, but guess what? It opens. Let's go get something else. Did I save it? Let's take it home and go save it. Let's go back to Fire Tanya. Let's save the page. Where am I? Bingo. Let's save it. Just some tools. Can't do nothing else. I ain't touching the other stuff. You go to YouTube Penitentiary. None of that downloaded plug-in stuff. Mouse toggle. Nasty. Let's do Ukta. I got some apps. I don't use apps from the internet sites. I go get them first, bring them in my PC. And scan them before I put them on anybody box. Not compatible. Let's come out of here. I got APKs on my box, man. Come out the app, and as you see, it added downloaded to the screen. We got Aptoid. WFTF file server. You got fast, Aptoid, VLC. I'm just trying to show you that you can install APKs in a Linux environment easily with Waydroid. And you just see me installed it with 5 commands and what? No typing. I'll take the password. Oh yeah, Rodriguez. Thank you, bro. Yes, you can. I ain't installing no third parties. That ain't gonna happen. Let me see if it's on my network. What's on my network? A local. Man, nigga was is this box a server too? Yes, it is. Let's go check out. I ain't trying to get in trouble with YouTube. Let's go get some maps. What is that? Is that Nova? Is that Nova? Let's go down to networks. APK. Network. Let's see what's on my network. It ain't gonna reach it. There's that server, but it's empty. And let's go see what the actual mini PC is doing as far as, is it killing it? No, it isn't. Look at these numbers here, 4 cores. Just breathing, man. Using 3 gigs out of 16. Back at the range. Thank you, Rodriguez. John. You can do multiple things. But ladies and gentlemen, we are in the Android world of Linux. I'm gonna shut this down for a minute. We'll go to the browser because we can install third-party apps now, as you see. But what about a server? Media server. Casa OS, one of my favorite Docker containers. Not now. I have Jellyfin here. I have nothing in it. Nothing in it. Let's go configure it. Ladies and gentlemen, you just seen me install Waydroid, 5 commands. Just type my password once. Let's get the camera back. Table cam. Peace. 5 commands. No typing. None of that. Hold on, typing. I'll take the password in. Okay, we can cut the cord with them third-party apps. I'm not going to install them. Not on this channel. I ain't going to install them. But guess what? We still need a media server now, so we get every device in your home can access it. But if you're Philly and you do one-on-ones with me, I'll show you how to make your device. You can reach it outside. United States, Canada, the moon, Jamaica, anywhere. About port forwarding. People that get down with me know how to access their home theater on to-do outside your home. Yeah. Ask Bill Sawyer. Back at the ranch. We have a Casa OS up here. Running 8%, 50% on the RAM. Let's bring this up. Jellyfin is running at 0. Let's configure these files so I can add it to the empty jellyfin. I'm gonna go to Files. And you see right there, it's a 12 terabyte hard drive with 8 terabytes of media. I got some movies 1, 4K, UHD, some new stuff, 4K movies, and my old to-do backup. What I'm gonna do is, my bad, came out. Let's go to Files. Let's go to the hard drive, the terabyte, external. And I'm gonna copy the path. I'm gonna take it back one screen, and I'm gonna go to Jellyfin settings. Check for updates. I'm good. And refresh it. Get his little wiggle on. As you see, the numbers went up here because it's just refreshed the app. Let it come down. Went up to 1%, as you see right there. And the RAM, 90 gig of RAM, 97 megs. Come on down, under 10. I can add these media files to the server. We can do 10. Go to settings. And I'm gonna add this directory. These are the directories, the volumes. I'm gonna add it. As you see, I copied the path of the media player, of the, the USB 12 terabyte 3.0 hard drive. And I'm gonna paste it. That's the path. I'm gonna do container. Same path. And I'm gonna save it. If everything's good, starting installation. If everything's good, it says Jellyfin is okay. I'm gonna go to the tab of Jellyfin. I'm gonna close it. Because Jellyfin don't know that just happened. I'm gonna relaunch it. Let's go to the dashboard and do some settings. Here we are. First, I got an Apple TV. I need the plug-in. And it says install. Let's install it. I got it that quick. Then I need to come up here and do DLNA to let the server find it on my network. PCD, I'm the user. And I got enabled DNN server. And I'm gonna save it. The server name is PCD715Q. Because I renamed it right there. Now, to access my server, I want no password. None. Saved it. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's go to the library so we can add some content. Will I get jammed? No. Philly. Type of movies. MKDs. Where we live at? What language we use? English. Where we live at? United States. I'm gonna set that up now. Now I'm gonna go get the folder. Will I get jammed? Did I add the path right? app is right there. I'm gonna go to this first folder here, 0 MKBs. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna keep all this stuff default. As you get to know Jellyfin, which is a free media server. I'm gonna hit OK. And as you see it right there, it's adding the content to the server. Go to the dashboard, and it gives you the percentage right here, 73%. I think it's about 200 pieces of content. %. It is scraping that 12 terabyte hard drive and bringing the content into my media server on the Linux environment, which we already got Waydroid. Install the third parties. Let's quit that. Go back to the ranch. Thank you each and every one for hanging out with me tonight. I really appreciate y'all. Thank you all. $79%, 80%. Guys, we ain't really gotta wait. Let's go to the dad. Let's go home. Take it home. You see the content right there. Then you gotta call me back, all right?
All right, what am I do?
I'll let you know. Clients, big boy server. Let's go back to the dashboard and see if these are done. 83%. Oh my. 85%. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, I can access that media right now, but I'm waiting for it's done. Even though it's a AMD Ryzen 5. It's about patience. $87%. I think it's about 200 movies. It's been about a little more than a minute. Yeah. Once again, Philly Cable Dave, if you can help me out, hit that thumbs, subscribe, leave me some comments. I love comments. I feed off that. Thank you all, Trevor. Trevor hit me down laughing. I fell short. PCD. Appreciate y'all. Your support. Much respect. Y'all know my motto. Don't let Android do you. Do Android. But also, don't let Linux do you neither. It's open source. It's my urban Android man. It's open source. Stock Android is open source. How y'all feeling, guys? Back to the ranch. 98%. Chef Brian, how are you? 98.9%, 99. Super Lou, thank you for taking care of the icon. John Rodriguez, thank you for that insight. It's Philly. We do things what? Different over here. Back at the ranch. 99.2. 1 hour and 4 minutes into the stream. Again, thank you for taking the time out your evening to get down with Philly. Let's go. Mm, 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 mm. 99.4. Let's see how many movies it took. About 3-4 minutes, 5 minutes maybe. It's all done. Let's go to the home screen. And that looks, how many movies? 365. But I don't like this screen, y'all. But you can make things happen for free. Let's change this theme. An ambient, I don't know about Plex. It's been brown all his life. Blue radius. Let's save that. Bingo. That looks a little bit better to me. 1984. Terminator. We got 365 movies in here. Let's try one. Cat. One click play. Straight through it. Ryzen 5. Not an Android TV box. Looks good to me. Looks good to me. I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna let you see the settings. 1080p at 60. Let's take it back. But ladies and gentlemen, let's take it off. Let's go back to the dash. Let's go to the dashboard. Let's go to the library. Let's add something else. Let's go add some big boys. Movies. UHD. Let's go take care of languages first. English. United States. Let's go get a folder of some UHD off this 12 terabyte hard drive. I ain't got many. They too damn big. 50, 60, 70 gigs. Leave everything default. I'm hit OK. Just gonna scrape them real quick. Let's go to general, see how long it's gonna take. Dashboard, excuse me. This is 96% already. It's only about 6 of them, but they big. Take it on home. UHD movies. You see them? Let's see if we can get one. We'll turn that sub off. Mini PC. You see it. Struggles on. Yeah, right. ladies and gentlemen, that movie is 46 gigs playing through my network. But ladies and gentlemen, what is that? The video shield. Just a jellyfin client. Permissions. We're just gonna do Nova, see if it find it on my neck, on the network. While using the app, allow it. There's the server, AMD Ryzen 715. It's empty. Oh, DNLA. Let's come out of here. VLC. VLC ain't worried about no restart. That's what that one. Oh, that's right. Another video. Can't lie with these YouTube people. Apple TV. Local. P. Studio mode. Put this password in there. What am I doing, man? Why am I doing that? Not set up yet. I don't have a password. Another video. But we're gonna do this. Can I get my display? What is this server? What's the IPs of this server? $167, as you see up top there. Let's go something big. Ladies and gentlemen, Justice League. This movie is 190 gigs. About 90 gigs. Let's go with the media info. Through my network. 4K, 95 gigs. 95462 megabits. That's 95 gigs. 4K 1080p HEVC. True Dolby. Digital Dolby. 4 subtitles. I'm trying shit, man. If this play, I'm gonna be screaming. The end user. Oh, through through the network. Ryzen 5. You see it? It's 95 gigs. You got to set itself up, guys. 95 gigs through my network. Ryzen 5. You see what it say right there? 4-hour movie. I ain't going there. Little funky 1080p's. A blank. Bingo. Straight through this. Nothing to worry about. Terminator. We seen earlier. Bingo. I ain't let it load. Terminator got mad. But there you go. But ladies and gentlemen, we see that we have CastOS on there. We done did that Waydroid thing to cut the cord. One box, Linux environment, Ubuntu, and Waydroid. You got your Android environment, you got your Linux environment. But guess what? I'm gonna show you something here. CastOS is a mission. Love it. Love it. People gonna get it. Thank you, Mr. Mac. Trevor! Thank you. I appreciate that. It's about option and solutions, guys. I ain't trying to show nobody up, trying to push no narrative, but guess what? There's a lot of ways to get things done. Simple. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna show you something here that's crazy. If you're in your home and you have CastOS that you see me running the Jellyfin server in, and you see right up there it says, I'm gonna close Jellyfin. And you still see it, 167.168.1.67. That's my PC that I'm streaming on. Open up a tab. I'm gonna put that same IP address in my desktop computer that I'm streaming on. And ladies and gentlemen, any device in your home can access the what? CastOS. Did you know that? Back at the ranch. What is that? Y'all see the tabs up top? That's the stream. That's the video. That's CastOS. Let me log in. PCD. I'm in the server. Ladies and gentlemen, you'll be able to do this with your phone, tablet, PC, streaming device, if you can type the IP in the browser. Let me go get the app on here. Uh-oh, is that Jellyfin? We log in on the PC that I'm streaming on. Same stuff. Y'all done seen me play these 3 movies. But this PC had got some juice. I ain't tell you the specs of my beast. Y'all fall out. I don't play that. You see it? Want to see the numbers? That's playing at 4K, 120. CastOS. And look at the App Store, man. App Guard, home screen, come on. It's about the Home Labber, MB, Plex, Home Assistant. Lexi, third party. Radar, sonar. Ladies and gentlemen, it's about option and solutions. I do things different over here. It's about open source software. Get out that box, man. The Android the box. But guess what? I must say this, man. Content creators on YouTube do what they do. I appreciate that. Everybody think I'm fighting with them. I got some kind of narrative. I ain't got no narrative. I just do shit different. That's it. That's it. I think about technology and streaming different than everybody else. There's more way than what? To get shit done. And I put that to the community. I said, why? It's only option to cut the cord as an Android device. What's wrong with change? Challenging yourself. What's wrong with that? Because I think different. I'm a bad guy. I'm trying to change your followers or your subscribers different. No. I'm trying to get people prepared for that. We all do not know. But one thing we do know is going to be built on Linux, Vega OS. I did round 1, show you how to install Ubuntu on this mini PC. And we executed that. Ladies and gentlemen, I just want you to prepare yourself for Vega OS. Learn a little bit about Linux. So when an end user come to you, when they got their new device, you can get down with them because you know the operating system, Linux. And ladies and gentlemen, there's more than one version of just Linux. It's 1,000 of them out there. But guess what? There's 46 beasts out there. Ubuntu is one of the top ones. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been Philly. I don't dislike no content creator. I don't dislike nobody, man. Do what we do. There's a gentleman that sent me this message here. And I really appreciate that, Tim. Love my knowledge. From what I learned all these years is that people are basically programmed for simplicity of Android. What you do is awesome. Keep it up. I believe that people want to expand their knowledge, and you're a good teacher for alternatives. That's what I do. It's about option and solutions. That's it. I'm not going to be in that box with everybody else. I'm not. I'm not. It's PCD. We do things different over here. Because what? I'm passionate. I'm confident. And I do a little different over here. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for hanging out. Guess what? Thanks for hanging out with me. I got something coming up that's crazy. This will be my next joint. Take it to the table. The Shield 2. A lot of people don't talk about this. So a gentleman said, hey, Philly. The gentleman I made that big boy service for, he said, hey, Philly. My wife ordered one, and I ordered another one. And he gave me this part of gratuity, a tip. I'm gonna show you how this beast can work in your home network. And you know this thing don't have no USB ports or nothing. But Philly do shit different. You'll see. Coming up, the Android Shield 2, not the Pro, the 2. It ain't got no USB ports. I'm gonna flip it. I'm gonna flip it. I'm gonna flip it. Thank you, people. PCD. That's what's next, brother. Trevor, you need to try that out, man. Trevor, that software is open source and it's free. Home Labbers. I got some things coming up. You'll be able to do streaming, ad block, home automation, all from one device. One Mini PC. It's Philly gonna put you on. Thank you, good people. Appreciate y'all. Love y'all. Lady J, thank you. My J Mac. Trevor Peters. Super Lou. John, what's up? Rodriguez. Thank you for hanging out, guys. If you like what I do, could you smack it? Everybody that got down me left these messages here. The team. Super Lou. Nathan Duncan. Jones. Lady J. Trev. Rod Stir. Thank you. Thank you for sharing and teaching, man. That's what I try and do. We all in our own lane. Appreciate it. And much respect. I ain't never been a hater. I don't dislike people. But guess what? I got to do this. This was a great find, and I can't wait till I get it. I'm going to tear the frame off that joint, because y'all know me. I don't let Android do me. The legendary Superdell. I call him Mr. Hands now. That's my dude. That was crazy. He found that thing yesterday, and that thing is a beast. On paper, I don't do speculation. It got to be in my hand. The things I'm going to do with that $50 device, I ain't going to say that word game changer. It's going to be different. That piece right there is very nice. Shout out to the legendary Superdell. And the Superdellians, I blocked y'all out because Superdell found this on his own. Much respect, brother. Keep it pushing. You got hands all over the internet, man. Super dull hand. Super dull hand. Super dull hand everywhere. Also, great review, Super dull. Very nice. You touched everything. It is what it is. Great. Fine, brother. $50. 32 gigs of storage after operating system. 20 gigs. You know, I'm expanding that thing for the terabyte on it. I'm playing. I do things different, bad. Much respect, brother. Keep doing what you do, content creators. Don't stay in the box, man. Do something else different. Much respect, Super Dull. Keep it pushing, bro. It has been Philly Cable Dave with another one. Open source software, free. Thank y'all all. What you doing in front of me, man? There we go. Back at the table, guys. How are you? I'm just a laid-back, old technology and streaming enthusiast type person. Next one gonna be crazy. Everybody says you can't do nothing with the tube. I try myself, man. I challenge myself. You got to, man. This thing called technology. Coming to you. But guess what? I gotta say one more thing and I'm out. Ladies and gentlemen, my team. Tomorrow, East Coast, 1 p.m. 1 p.m. I'm gonna go live for 15 minutes. Because I want to give this M900 to the people who got down with me. I will be giving this away to the people that was in a live chat waiting for me. Bradster, Lady J, Just G, Joan, Lathan Duncan, DJ D. Johnson, Edwin and Trevor. Ladies and gentlemen, 1 p.m. I'm going to ask one question. Whoever put it in the chat first, I mail it to you. But if you live on the moon or outside the United States where the shipping going to cost more than the product, we got to work that out. Ladies and gentlemen, much love, respect, man. How are you? Have a blessed one. It's been PCD. Keep it pushing. Most of all, be safe out there. Society ain't nice no more, man. Woo! My Sixers are back. Shout out to Massey, legendary Superdell, Joel Embiid. You have a blessed one, man. Executed it, no problem. Peace. Bobby Diz just left, man. He just got finished executing his little content, man. Repay gang, how are you, my brother? Goddamn, sit down. I love you. Rich poor man box. That's hot. Do what y'all do, man. Tadal, thank you, man. That's funny. Thank you, Lady J. Everyone. Top-notch hair in the community, Lady J. She always glowing. Personality, top-notch, 110%. Good people. Thank you, Lou. Trevor. Cousin J-Mac. John. Rodriguez. Got something coming to see you in a couple days. Mr. Manager. You have a blessed one. You like? Thank you all. My Lathan, thank you. Good night, people. Be safe out there. Shout out to J-Mac, my tech support, audio and video. That's gonna be crazy. NVIDIA Shield 2 coming next. In your home, on your network. Got no USB ports. I'm gonna show you how to flip this. I ain't buy it. Too pricey. Let's go. I got this for hooking up somebody up a B server. And they gave me this for gratuity. A tip. Good night, y'all. I'm babbling. Goddamn Tadell. The rich man box. The rich poor man box. Mini PC guys. Now let's install Waydroid on Mini PC. Part 2.5. Good night.